This is the janitorial place that we do. Little small warehouse here. Very small. Go around the corner, blah, blah, blah. All right. So anyway, like I said, I don't know a lot of everything. I'm learning every day. I know a lot about a little, but one of the Facebook people followed me and they said, hey, you got to try this in the toilet. So I'm going to give this thing a whirl. I said, yo, I can't get these toilets clean. He's like, what? Here, try this. And I'm like, what? What is it called? Right on Amazon. I said, yeah, use that, man. This thing gets it all good. Oh my gosh. I don't believe it. I've been working and scrubbing this thing forever. Oh my. Look at this. Oh my. It's working, guys. All right, for the sake of the video, so I don't drop my cell phone in this toilet, because this is working me up. I'm going to pause this thing here. I'll show you that at the end. This thing's working. It's really working. I can't believe it. Holy smokes, it's working. Working, guys. All right, for the sake of the video, so I don't drop my cell phone in this toilet, because this is working me up. I'm going to pause this thing here. I'll show you that at the end. This thing's working. It's really working. I can't believe it. Holy smokes, it's working. Guys, there's a toilet afterwards. I don't know about you, but it looks pretty freaking great. Excited. This is what happens when you work together. Like I said, I'm a floor guy. I'm not really I'm a good cleaner, but I don't like really doing janitorial cleaning, wiping toilets. But hey, you got to do what you have to do to get ahead. And look at it. It's great. It looks amazing. I would like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us. We don't know you. But we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.